How to fix there was a problem in NVIDIA app error on your Windows computer. So first go to your settings and from here search for device manager, and from here go to display adapter and click here. Now from here tap update drive, browse my computer, let me pick from my list and select your graphics card and press next, and this will be done. All right, so this is the first step. If the problem still occurs in your computer, then the second step is go to search, then installed apps, right? Install apps, and from here you will find this install app button. So if you cannot find from here, and you can go to control panel and from uninstall a program, and here you can find it as well. So what you have to do is search for NVIDIA app, and from here uninstall it and install this application, and after uninstalling it go to Google and search for NVIDIA app and install it. So this is the two process, and this is pretty much it. After doing these two process, your problem will be solved forever. Thanks for watching and have a great day.